Hi everyone, welcome to Lori's Kitchen Creations. It's Lori and Tony. Tony, where are you visiting from?
I'm all the way from Germany.
Well, welcome. Well,
Thank you.
Germany they have a wonderful mushroom sauce that they put on their
Beef Wellington. Anything else? They put it on everything.
schnitzel. I was
Okay,
thinking schnitzel.
Jaeger schnitzel.
Now tonight
Yes.
we're putting it on Wellington, but I don't think that's a German recipe. Pretty sure
Probably
it's
not, but the mushroom sauce, or mushroom gravy is really good.
Enjoy this recipe. Let's get cooking. All right. All right, are we ready?
Ready as we'll ever be.
Okay, would you mind reading the step-by-step and we'll just crank it right out here, babe?
All right, I see we're heating the oil with a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Then we're going to add onion to the pan. Saute 1 minute. But we got to get the oil hot first. Cool. So we'll saute the onions for 1 minute. Okay, add sage and mushrooms. Saute 5 minutes after you do that. Or until the mushrooms are brown.
Ah, shiitake.
Mushy, mushy ones. Beautiful. 5 minutes now. 5 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Add the salt. Hey, I'm reading these, man. You do your own thing. Add wine. Cook for about a minute until the liquid almost evaporates.
Yum. Smells good. Okay.
Stir in the chicken and beef stock. Boil, cooking until reduced to 2 cups, about 10 to 12 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Add flour mixture to pan. Return to a simmer.
And then what?
And then the next thing you're going to do is remove the pan from the heat. Stir in butter 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring until the butter melts. Taste for salt and pepper. Cool and store in the refrigerator, stirring until the butter melts.
Woo! Bing, bang, bong. It's done.